We went to the darkest corners of the internet to find this for you.
Let's watch it, I guess.
Yeah, this is definitely the weirdest stuff I've seen in a while. So it looks like we're POV in prison as Pikachu.
It's a prison.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Pikachu's gotta eat, you know, and Pikachu also did some pretty terrible things.
Okay, yes.
A lot of people died.
An officer just passing foot like so.
I guess so.
Which is weird.
No, yeah, the whole thing is weird.
Don't.
What is that? A fish?
I don't know. It's gonna. I'm confused. You know, on the second my brain just start melting, and I'm like realize what is going on. And,
yeah, no, it's not. It's nothing good. It's nothing good. Okay, so now she puts some chocolate on her lips, and she's not allowed any chocolate.
She just kissed chocolate.
She just kissed something, yeah. Okay. But Pokemon...
There is not a lot of food, lady, you know, on your lip, even you pass through with this.
Yeah, it seems like a huge waste of a chocolate bar, but...
Yes.
If your chocolate's... that's just No! Why? Why are we watching this?
That's what we said on the beginning,
yeah,
you know?
Sorry guys, this is just happening. Yeah. You're here with us now, just sit back, get some popcorn.
So sometimes you need to watch such a videos to appreciate more the good content, right?
Exactly. So, like 5-minute crafts.
Then let us know in the comments. I agree with this or no. All right.
Yeah, before you watch Archie 5, watch these videos, and it'll make it so much better.
Wait, what?
I'm just saying, it helps you appreciate good content.
That's true. Sometimes we're spoilers, you know?
Yeah.
Or maybe that's what people need. It's kind of successful thing, right?
Yeah. This is, so she's hiding her food inside some rice. She's allowed rice.
Okay. It's allowed to have a rice, but...
I don't like this.
Why?
I don't like this at all.
Why?
The POV.
POV.
It's just really upsetting. It's so close to your face.
Like, keep distance, guys.
Yeah.
All right.
Why are they bringing Pikachu into this, you know? Like, what did Pikachu do to you?
I mean, what is the point of such a trend? It's a trend.
Yeah.
Passing food on such a things, you know?
I mean, people get hungry. People like to be fed.
But it's kind of...
I think, like, the thing is, it's just so weird that you can't help but be like, okay, where is this going? Like, what's happening here, you know?
Or maybe you like, you want it for some reason, you know? You wanted to have food, like, so I don't know.
So my prediction or my theory is that these videos do well because people comment so much down below about how messed up they are.
All right.
Yeah.
So now you know why comments are important.
Okay. Okay. Is this? It's like not for kids though, right? Like
that's. I would check their statistic. What is the audience of such a video?
If I saw my kid watching this,
yeah.
No more computer. The computer's going out the window. What the heck is this? We're going with the Mormons and the people who live without electricity. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
All right. That's weird.
So they just traded some things for a power drill. What is happening? What? So she's putting lipstick on a fork, and now she has McDonald's French fries.
Don't do it.
There's hair on the French fries. Guys, what the heck is happening? So now no lipstick is allowed in this room. Don't worry, all I have is a fork and some French fries.
Yes, it's possible, but yeah.
I guess
never find any lipstick on any of you.
What is this world where lipstick isn't allowed? I just want to know. I'm very curious.
Me too. And now, work.
Wow. And now she has lipstick.
All right.
Guys, is there a thing where you're not allowed lipstick places? Let me know, because there's a lot of videos like this.
But I mean, what, school maybe? I mean,
yeah, in school I guess some makeup isn't allowed, but is this, do you guys want this? Are you like, I need to wear lipstick in school?
Yeah.
Maybe it's just me.
Alright, so wait, it shows red, but she let her go with...
And now, that looks dangerous to do next to your eye.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't do it.
And now, lipstick.
But why you just didn't do it before your class and enter with all this thing?
Because they would see it on your face and they'd ask you to remove it, I think.
Kind of legit.
Yay,
not
now we
gonna
have
lie,
lipstick. Oh my gosh, and she has a full lipstick thing in the class now. But
Okay.
she's putting it on her finger. Why?
My brain is melting right now.
So it looks like an injury.
Okay.
Okay, well,
But look at her shoes. They red.
yeah, she probably has a
full
lot of lipstick on them as well.
So she prepared a girl for such a thing.
Yay. Looks
there
like you
is
messed up the top there a little bit.
Yeah, but you fix it out of frame rate.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're gonna put more. I think people are interested by the fact that she's doing that because that
Yeah, what?
reminds you of something, right?
What?
Something you don't want ever. Okay,
What are
so
you talking about?
I don't know. So now we have, she has it on a toothpick somewhere. Okay.
Okay. Well, she's playing very silly, I would say.
Yes, she's very silly, but
Sorry, lady.
it's good to be silly sometimes. You know, you gotta get silly. You gotta get goofy.
I'm saying about the playing role.
Yeah.
Like not about I don't know her. Like what? Okay, doesn't matter.
All right, so we're adding gold foil to water, and what are we putting our lips in it? Huh? Okay. Nope, that is not legit at all. That doesn't happen.
Okay. Wow. Very
Interesting-
aggressive.
Interesting looking.
Yeah. I saw the font there.
Yeah, I saw it as well. It wasn't working for me, but
Yeah. But I saw such videos when they compare iPhone with some Samsung or something. Not a commercial,
and
but
the Samsung works like
yeah.
very well.
The colors matched very well.
Not a sponsor.
Not a
but
sponsor.
It looks good.
Would be nice actually.
Yeah, Samsung, hit
Yeah,
us up, please.
yeah.
Mr. Beast.
So right. What the?
Mr. Beast, do you want to react on these videos with us? What?
Wait, what?
What are they doing? Okay. No! Why are you doing that? Why does that feel painful?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, so we ruined
Really,
the
why?
lipstick. No
Okay.
lipstick allowed. Okay.
No. Okay. Especially lipstick.
Yeah.
That's kind of weird place where they have the special sensor on lipsticks.
Yeah, I mean, in my school, they also banned lipstick in like different. Yeah.
But why?
Because they didn't want people to express themselves. No, they thought it distracted if people cared more about their looks than their schoolwork, or something like that. So
That's kind of weird motivation for me.
It's
to be
weird,
honest.
yeah.
And what about that hack? Did you like it?
no, because she still has a lipstick. Well,
Yes.
She got in with the lipstick. So
Exactly.
also this, I'm not sure what's happening. We're putting a bandage around. Oh no, no lipstick. Okay, I have a hot finger. All right.
So seriously, and this is kind of successful.
Yeah, this is a successful video. Yeah, you gotta get your lipstick on somehow, Archie. You know, how do you get your lipstick on?
I have one.
You have a lipstick.
Yeah. Usually, I have my lipstick. In nails. I'm putting there.
Yeah,
Deeper,
like that one.
yeah.
And then you take it out the other
Yeah,
one. Yeah.
and
Or like take it out your ear.
Yeah, it could be from that it works like so. You just hide this in one of your hole.
Just one of the holes. Yeah. Okay, so this is.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
So it's
I'd say
the
her
bunch-
application isn't the best.
yeah, I guess so. Okay, that's
Okay,
kind of weird.
No, not my candy. What the heck are we watching? All right, no candy in jail. I feel like in jail. Are they allowed candy?
Not
Probably not.
Yes.
I feel like you could probably get your hands on some
Maybe.
candy.
So it's also candy.
Oh, this is upsetting. Okay.
What is the brown thing that her?
Don't ask. Don't ask.
Don't ask.
Don't ask if you don't want the if you don't want the answer for it. Don't ask.
I'm just. That's not how it works, I guess, in the
No, yeah.
prison. I don't want to say that I were in the prison, but I'm guessing too was.
I was, and that's not how it works in prison.
Yeah, for what you were, or is it a secret?
I stole your heart.
Ah, dang. This is it's worth to go to the prison.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. All right, so now we have a rat. Oh no, it pooed, but luckily it's candy.
So, wait, the whole idea, she took a poop,
she
painted
poop so that it looks like candy. Yeah.
There is a lot of poops instead of candy. Okay. She counted this very well.
Yep, it was good.
That's kind of for whom this hacks.